video, I'm going to show you how to install Lynx Whiteboard onto your Windows device. So this could be a desktop computer or it could be a laptop. So I'm here on my desktop screen and I'm going to come down to this search bar here and type in Microsoft Store. You may also notice that it just pops up here if you've recently opened it. So I'm just going to click here, but you can also type it in down here in the search bar. And once you do that, up at the top, you will type in Lynx, Lynx whiteboard and hit enter. And you will select the one with this icon here. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click Get. And it is going to start downloading this. It's going to be an application rather than software. So it's going to be an application here on your Windows device. And once it is installed, you can pin it to your taskbar down at the bottom of your screen, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So once you have it installed, you can either click open here to open it, or I'm going to close out of this to show you where else you can find it. So you're going to click on the start button here and scroll down. It's in alphabetical order and you'll see Lynx 7 here. So you can click it and open it here. If you right click, you can go to pin to start, or some more options. You can pin to your taskbar, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and click pin to start and it'll show up here. That way you can have easy access to it. Or if you pin to your taskbar, it'll show up down here at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching.